Hi student, hi friends, I am Ashish Tiwari. Today in the 12th Geography, the book Fundamental of the Human Geography and our lesson which is going on the world population. This is the second lesson of the Geography 12th class, and today our going on topic which is in the lesson, it is the population growth. So student, what is the meaning of population growth? Population growth means change in the numbers. That numbers can be positive and can be negative also, because sometimes the population can be increased due to the birth rate and the death rate, the differences between them, and it can be also understand with the digits as well as in the percentage, because sometimes the population can be seen in the various forms, and there are various important indicators of the population growth, such as the economic development, social upliftment, and historical cultural background of the region. These are very important indicators, and they are mostly used for assessing the growth of population, because many of the areas they are different from their geography, economics, history, cultural, and so many other important factors. So we use them one by one to assess the, we will say, important indicator for the population growth. This is our important topic, and we will also increase in the lesson. Next topic is the basic concept of the population geography. So there are different things to understand for the human geography for the growth of population, such as growth of population. It can be understand with the change of population in the particular area between 2 point of time. How can we understand 2 point of time? It means from the year 2001 to 2011. If the population was 102.70 crore in the year 2001, and the population was 121.02 crore in the 2011, so the differences between these 2 point of times is the 18.15. This is the important you will say factor for assessing the growth of population, because it has been the differences between the 2 point of time. 2 point of time means 2001 and 2011. Second important things, the important basic concept, the growth rate of the population. Growth rate of the population can be understand change of population. It means that can be also understand with the percentage, because when the population growth, it can be understand in the change of population, so it can be also understand or written in the percentage, because so many areas where the population cannot be you will say considered with the digits. Natural growth of the population. Natural growth of the population means increased population by different between the, we will say, birth rate and the death rate in the particular regions between the 2 point of time. That is a very important thing. And natural growth means birth rate minus death rate. That is called the natural growth rate. So we will understand it. Actual growth rate of the population means birth rate, death rate plus in migration and out migration. So we can understand the actual growth rate of the population. And positive growth rate of the population when the birth rate is bigger than death rate between the 2 point of time, or the immigration, that is the positive growth rate of the population. Next one is negative growth rate of the population, means decrease of population between 2 point of time minus birth rate falls from death rate or immigration. There are two terms, emigration and immigration. Emigration means when the people are settling in the countries, and immigration means when the people are moving from the other country, from one country to another other country, means they are leaving their own country. So these are important basic concept in the lesson, and which are very very helpful to understand the lesson while we are just studying the geography. So student, hope you understand all these basic concept along with the population growth. And if any kind of the doubt, if you are feeling, you can just comment it in the comment box, so that I can also increase my level of teaching, or I can also increase the basic concept in the lesson. Thank you student to listen me.